Right, I'm just on my way back to the hostel after a miserable morning's filming, but too many tourists. But I've just come across this in this local park I was in yesterday morning. Oh, classic car that rally. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at these old cars. Look. Oh. Wicked. There's a petrol tank. Not much petrol. Right. Well, this is good. What other cars we've got in here? My brother will enjoy this video. He loves cars. These old classic cars with a handbrake, not pedal and stuff. Oh, look at that. That is a beauty, that is. Look at that. Can't beat the old classics. Mercedes Benz. Probably one of the first Mercedes. Look at this. Oh. And drinking and driving. He's got his beer cans in the back there. Look. Immaculate cars. Essex. Oh, I'm glad I came across this. Look at this one. What's this one? An engine in the back. Normally it's Volkswagens that have engines in the back, isn't it? I do love the old classics. Can't beat them. Man. What's that? Tara. A Tatra. Czechoslovakia Tatra. Look at that. Oh. Built in southern Poland, I think. This car. That's the old brake light. Yes. Gas lamps. It's a Hudson. Yes. These fucking cars, sit in the driver's seat. That's the view you get. Beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Doesn't give any idea of when these cars were built. Is that basket in the back? That's an old classic one. Loads of classic cars here, look. There's the old umbrella stand, look. Three pedals, one for the clutch brake, obviously an accelerator, a handbrake. That's the old classic Mercedes 190 SL. The old push button radio inside as well. Wow. Man, immaculate cars. Look at this one. Wow, look at this. These dials, really old dials. And there's the old leather steering wheel, or wooden, no, it's wooden. Wow. Oh man, that's wicked. Bugatti. The first Bugatti. Man, look at that. One of the first racing cars. What's this one here? This is one of the first Chevrolets. Chevrolet Corvette. Man, look at this. Oh yeah. Immaculate carpet, immaculate. Yeah. Superb. Absolutely superb. The old army car. Look at this. Yeah. Everyone knows these cars, the MG BGT. I used to like these in the 70s and early 80s. These are good cars. There's loads of them here. Wow. Oh, at last I found some good content. So I'll wander around. These are classic cars here, look at this. What's this one? It's a Dodge. It's a Dodge. Right. Dodge. This one is.
Tak čuměli.
Je to rovný.
A proč je chudák?
No, protože mu to, si to ulomilo ten.
Tak jo, jsem
Engineers are like this one. It's just been running because it's still hot. Still hot. Look at this. Where are we going to go now? This is good. A classic motorcycle. Some motorcycles over here. Some other cars. So I'll put these other ones over here first. And then we'll have a look at motorbikes. Oh, look at this. My dad had a Skoda, his very first car, Skoda. First 3 cars were Skodas. Look at these old Skodas here. I've got this one here. These were the original Czech cars, these were Skodas. They were built in Czechoslovakia. There, look. Oh, man. Looks better than the originals and the ones my dad had. Man. Proper Skoda. Oh, that's another one. Look. These are all Skodas here. There's a Jaguar here. Everyone recognises this one. Jaguar. Something you can't see inside. He's got it covered up. Wow! Look at this. The old horn. Probably have to press it hard to make it work. Jag. What's this one here? Another Tatra, 1934. 1934, this car, look at this. There's a clock, and speedo, like that, the choke, gear stick on the level there. Wow. Man, wicked. Absolutely wicked. Let's go over there. Yes. That's Austin's. That's an Austin 7. Austin 7, that. He's gone to come over from England, so he's got the AA badge there. And the Austin Drivers Club. And it's a right-hand drive as well. That. And a British flag. Yeah. Oh, wicked. Absolutely wicked. Right, let's go and have a look at the motorbike. This one, look. Lots of leg room in the back there. It's a Buick. In the right up on the Buick. Wicked. There's another really old Skoda here, look. Look. Have a look at the engine. The original Skoda. Look at that. Another Skoda, loads of Skodas. Huh? Wicked. Absolutely wicked. Right. 1930, this one was built. Yeah. That came in, huh? I'm sure some of you motorbike enthusiasts are like this one, especially my friend Peter in Bangkok. He's a motorcyclist. He loves his bikes. And BSA, look at that. Original BSA. Oh, wow. Don't know what this one is. Zenith. Zenith, I don't know. Yes. Prague sidecar. Immaculate.
Ten bílý sportovní vůz je americký vůz Cobra. Původně amerického původu a automobilka britská
This was a surprise, this was. Look at this.
Automobil Carrier vyvážela tyto vozy do Spojených států. Ve Spojených státech se těchto vozů ujal ladič motorů, konstruktér a obchodník s motorovými vozidly ladič Captain Shelby. Karol Shelby vybavil tyto
Skoda Monte Carlo.
automobily
It's a Monte Carlo, eh?
vidlicovými osmivacími motory a postavil tak jeden z robustních, jak se říká lidově, nadúpaných sportovních automobilů.
Fantastic.
Vy jste jej měli možnost vidět. A já bych ještě chtěl přiblížit, alespoň krátce, Karola Shelbyho. Tak Karol Shelby byl od dětství nemocný a jako zralý muž se musel podrobit ve Spojených státech
Classic, that was. I'm going to take some pictures of these cars.
Když vyjmuli jeho původní srdce a nahradili ho zdar z roku 1925, 23.
Well, that's it for this vlog. That was a nice find on the way home, all these classic cars. Yeah, I'm well happy with this. Old Skodas, my dad had a Skoda, his very first car. He had three different Skodas in a row. And some of these old ones, dating back to the 30s. Absolutely brilliant. Well, I found this. And yeah, what more can you say? But I'm going to look for something else to film tomorrow. Hopefully I'm going to go somewhere that's off the beaten track and something that's probably never been recorded before. But I'll have to get permission. So, but all these, I go around all the tourist sites, it's just unbelievable to film. It's just can't film anything. It's a massive to do with like Charles Bridge, Astronomical Clock, Old Town Square. Who wants to film that? It's been done to death. I want to see it, you watch it anywhere. And something like this is like once in a blue moon event. So let's go. So I'll see you in the next video, probably in a couple of days' time. Right, see you later.